welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are having fun with napkins. So basically what I'm going to be running through is a few non-traditional, like non-square ways to fold a fabric napkin for when you're setting your table for your dinner or lunch party. There are a few different ways to do it. I mean, there's many ways to do it. I only know a few, so I'm just going to be going through those today. But yeah, hopefully you think the video is fun or gives you some ideas for decorating for your next hosted event. But if you like the video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments and let's get going. So here is a very typical way to fold a dinner napkin. It's just in your basic rectangle. This is what we all kind of do and know, and then if it's not a really formal setting, you can just put all of your silverware on one napkin. Obviously, different rules apply for formal settings, but this is just a video on how to fold napkins different ways. So we are going to assume that you're putting all your silverware in one napkin. Fold number 2 is pretty basic. You just bring the bottom up to the top like so. Fold it into a square. You can take your corner, bring it back. Fold under, under, create a little pocket for the silverware. So for the next one, it's kind of a 2-in-1. You're gonna start by folding a square. Take the corners down and just kind of fan them out a little bit. So don't bring them all over, but just kind of one after the other like that. Tuck your edges under. So it creates a nice little pocket. The variation on this being that you can tuck this under as well to square it off. Just leave the top little triangle out. Just like that. For this one, keep the corners away from you. Fold it up in half. And then the edges up, kind of like you're making basically anything out of origami. And then you're gonna grab probably about 1/3 of the way down, flip it over, just up like that. That's gonna create your little pocket. Fold the edges under. This one's kind of a cute one just to display by itself, just like that. Or you can add your silverware as well because it does create like a handy dandy little pocket in there. This one's kind of fun. It reminds me of kind of like that origami ship that everyone makes as a child. Fold it over till you have a triangle with 2 little wings sticking out. Fold the whole thing up till the corners match. You can also put them up a little bit higher if you want. Kind of tuck them in a little bit. This part's totally optional, but it does create some cool fold effects. So lay out your napkin and fold it in thirds this time. Just make sure the edge lines up. Take the bottom corner and fold it up just to form a perfect little edge here, little triangle. Roll it up a little bit higher than the actual square would be. And then kind of in thirds on the back, flip it over, and you have a nice, elegant little fold to your napkin. It's also a pocket if you would like to tuck your silverware in there. I do a lot of pocket folds. And for the last one, just fold your napkin into squares. You will notice a theme. Kind of fold up one of the sides just below the corners. The second one, just kind of tuck the edge under and then roll it as well. So here's your square. Roll the corners under. Create that double pocket. Just like that. So this is a nice way to fold your napkin as well. So for the last two, I'm going to show you folds that don't really involve silverware, just kind of cool ways to fold the napkin. So fold it in a triangle, fold the edges up, grab it, flip it over, and then bring the edges up and then fold one more time. And basically you're making a little pyramid that will stand on its own. It also kind of looks like a little fortune cookie. And for the very last one is the fanciest. It's going to be a bird of paradise. So just fold your napkin into a square. Fold the top down to meet the edges and then bring up the two little triangles into a diamond and fold them over, and together this is going to secure it all into place. And then just bring out the folded triangle and the four little edges in there and arrange them in a flower shape. You're going for birds of paradise, so just kind of pull them out and work it until it sets up and looks how you want it. Alright guys, so that is a few different ways to fold your napkin for your next dinner party, lunch event, hosted, anything really that you need napkins for. Hopefully you found it helpful, saw some ones that you haven't seen before maybe. If you liked the video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I do love hearing from you guys. Consider subscribing if you want to see me here again doing something else DIY or basically whatever I add to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.